In this class we want to talk about reinforcement theory. Now this was developed by Thorndike and it's based on his law of effect. Essentially what we're going to look at here is ways in which motivation can be brought into existence and sustained, and what are the factors that lead to it. The theory focuses on behaviour and consequences based on certain behaviour. So it looks at the behaviour of individuals and what determines that behaviour and what maintains the behaviour or what diminishes the behaviour. The theory looks into reward and punishment in order to modify behaviour to meet management expectations. So in the context of business, management have certain expectations of the employees, and behaviour which is good, say productive or innovative or contributes to the functioning of the business, behaviour which is good could be rewarded. Behaviour which is bad, which is counterproductive, could be punished. So we're looking here at ways in which management may respond to changes and may encourage changes or may discourage changes. The theory focuses on modifying an employee's on-the-job behaviour through the appropriate use of one of the following techniques, and I'm going to list out different techniques here. So it's going to look at how the employee's behaviour may be modified, and it may be promoted, it may in the sense be advanced, or it may be diminished, it may be reduced. It all depends on the effects of the particular behaviour. If the effects are deemed to be good, they may be encouraged, they may be promoted. If the effects of particular behaviour is seen as bad or counterproductive, they may be discouraged. So let's talk about positive reinforcement. Employees are rewarded for behaving in an acceptable manner. So employees who behave in a way which is deemed to be good will be rewarded, and that the reward is positive reinforcement. It's a way of management saying, well done, please do more, please continue in the way you are moving. It's positive reinforcement. Rewards could include a pay rise or promotion or general recognition. Employees will be aware that this type of behaviour is favourable and should be repeated. So whatever they did was seen as good behaviour. It's good. It's management wants to encourage it. The employees know that management are happy, and the employees know in particular they are happy because they've received a pay rise or they've been recognised publicly for whatever behaviour they had, which was going to be encouraged. So this is the basis of positive reinforcement. Now on the other hand, there's the negative aspects that may be brought into play. We call these avoidance. Certain behaviour may be discouraged because it's counterproductive or not in the interest of the business. So in this case, punishment may be used until the desired behaviour is achieved. Now punishment may be a reduction in salary or a demotion or moving the person to a different part of the organisation to work, or some way of discouraging certain behaviour. So it's avoidance, and there is the use of punishment to try and reduce that particular type of behaviour. There's also extinction, a form of ignoring behaviour of employees. There's no negative or positive reinforcement here. It's just a question of ignoring whatever was proposed or whatever action is being taken. The act of ignoring it, neither reinforcing it nor punishing it, There's no positive or negative reinforcement. It's just simply ignoring it, like it never happened. It can only really apply if the behavior is temporary. If this behavior is long run, then there must be some response by management. If the behavior is good, then the long run response will be positive reinforcement, pay rise or recognition, as I said earlier. And if it's negative behavior, then some sort of punishment or some sort of movement of the person or something to ameliorate or to reduce the impact of that behavior. But if it's ignored, then it can only be ignored in the short run, in the temporary time scale. Because if it's left in the long run, it's not recognized, then if it's positive, if it's a good thing, it may die out because the employees think, well, management don't care and I wasn't recognized for what I did, so therefore I will stop doing it. Or if it's negative, then the employees may think, well, I got away with it, so I'll just continue doing it. So behavior extinction can only happen in the short run when management ignores something completely, hoping that it will sort itself out. Punishment. Well, management applies a negative consequence to unacceptable behavior in the hope that this will prevent the behavior recurring. So it may be that management sees something negative and imposes some sort of punishment, a reduction in salary or a demotion or as I said earlier, a movement of the person to another part of the business, a reduction in the quality of life, the working life of the person, taking away some of the perks perhaps they've earned over the years. So we have positive reinforcement, we have avoidance, we have extinction, and we have punishment. And these are used to try and either promote good behavior or to deter bad behavior. And that's all really we're going to deal with in this class. So I'm going to leave it at that and say thank you for watching.